Welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Mandad online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apesha. Student, today we are going to learn 7th standard English subject topic 1.6 a collage. So student, what is meaning of collage? So collage means it is a piece of art which is made of different types of materials. Means what is different type of materials? For example, different types of photographs, then different types of paper and fabric. Means is sticking on a backing. So student, but first tell me today which kind of collage today we are going to learn. So today we are going to learn a collage of a great personality who was able to change the face of the world. So who is she? Who is he? So student, this person is Swami Vivekananda. So student, Swami Vivekananda was a great personality. So Swami Vivekananda born 12 January 1863 in Kolkata and he died 4 July 1902. And Swami Vivekananda was most inspired of Ramakrishna Paramhans. So student, now we see some more information about Swami Vivekananda. So you open your textbook, I will explain now. Students, open your English textbook, page number 21, lesson number 1.6, a collage. So we see first paragraph now. So see, yes, this is picture of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda born Narendra Datta was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he began his speech with sisters and brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. So students, Swami Vivekananda's real name is Narendranath Datta and he was born 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. So student, he was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness. So student, first tell me world aware of means, the world aware of means he made the world realize what means the greatness of Indian philosophy. Now great our Indian way of thinking is, and way did he make this known at the Parliament of World Religions. This was an international organization, and when he was the first person to address the gathering as sisters and brothers. So student, no one had ever addressed anybody in such a manner, and therefore he received a standing ovation. So what is meaning of standing ovation? Standing ovation means all the people stood and they started clapping for him. Then he emphasized. So what is meaning of emphasis means he get importance to, means he get importance to selflessness, means he was willing to do anything for the service of others, means he make others life happy. So student, like this, so can we also take a lesson from this and try to make the life of those around of us better. So student, today Swami Vivekananda is considered patriotic son. So what is meaning of patriotic son? So son means who loves his country and work for welfare for humanity. So student, now let's see. Means student, at now he addressed the people though they have people of other nation, means suppose some people are other nations, nationalities and also other religions, yet he was able to spread of the message of Indian philosophy as well as Indian religion, Indian culture. So student, can we also promote the same to the people around us and at last to the world. So student, now we see some quotations of Swami Vivekananda. So see here, arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. So student, means this was how Swami Vivekananda worked. Means he did not take any rest, but he kept seriously working to achieve this goal. So student, like this, can we also working like this to achieve our goal? So I am sure you will work like this. So student, you understand up to here? So in next lecture we will see some more quotations of Swami Vivekananda. Okay student, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.